In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Genshin Impact on PC or laptop in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From desktop, open any of the browser and in the search bar, type Genshin Impact download for PC and hit enter. Now here you have to find the website of BlueStacks and open it. Here click on Play Genshin Impact on PC. It will start downloading BlueStack installer. After downloading, click on it and then click on Agree and install. Now wait for this downloading. After this, click on Install Game from Google Play. Then click on Install from Google Play. Again click on Install from Google Play. Now sign in to your Google account by clicking on Sign In. After signing in, click on Install. Wait for this installation. Then click on Play. Here you have to log into your account. If you don't have any account, then you have to make a new account. You can do it by clicking on Register Now. After this, check these terms of services and click on Accept. Here you can select the server you want. Then click on Select Resources to download. Here select the game resource plan and click on Confirm. Then wait for the downloading of resources. After this, click on Tab to begin. Now you can play Genshin Impact on PC. So that's how you can download and play Genshin Impact on PC or laptop in just few easy steps.